Hello! In this video, you will learn how to complete task 6.4. This task is based on 6.1 and 6.2 with the same Ferris wheel. The radius is still 25 feet. The center is 30 feet above the ground. And one complete revolution counterclockwise takes 20 seconds. We will be referring to this Ferris wheel throughout the task. And notice that there is a green line in the middle that tells you that that's 30 feet above the ground. So anything at that distance horizontally is 30 feet above the ground. Okay, so we start that at time 0. The points will be time and height. At time 0, we are at 30 feet above the ground. If we start moving counterclockwise in 5 seconds, we are going to be 55 feet above the ground. The green line is 30 plus the radius, that gives you 55. If we use another 5 seconds, that's 10. We are back to 30 feet above the ground because we're on the green line. And we continue now to the bottom of the Ferris wheel. This would be 15, 5. The center is at 30, but then the radius is 25, so we go 25 below the green line. If we continue going around in the Ferris wheel, next it would be 20 seconds. At 20 seconds, we are again 30 feet above the ground. 5 more seconds, that brings us to 25 seconds. At 55, at 30 seconds, we are 30 feet above the ground. And 35 seconds, we are 5 feet above the ground. And you can continue this indefinitely. Now we're going to start graphing these points. So the first point, we notice it's at 0, 30. So 0, 30 would be at this point right here. That is the center of the wheel. Therefore, I'm going to make a line there denoting that it's the center of the wheel. The next point would be at 5:55. 5:55 is right here. This is the top of the wheel. The next one would be 10:30. We are back to the center. And then 15:5. This point denotes the bottom of the wheel. What I'm getting are the points that we created right here. The next one is 20:30, 25:55, 30:30, 35:5, and 40 brings us back to 30. So we connect the points. And I'm going to highlight one rotation of the wheel. We start here, we go to the top of the wheel, go to the left side of the wheel, bottom of the wheel, and we are back to the beginning of the wheel. So there are 2 rotations in this one. We call those rotations cycles. So from when we start to when we are back at where we started, at point A, this is cycle 1. And then the other cycle would be from once we make one full turn until we make the second turn, that would be a second cycle.